Hey everybody, Chris here with Pfeiffer's Fishing. It's been a while since I've been able to get out on the river, so I came out to a spot I've been wanting to fish for a long time. It took me about an hour to get here. Um, it's really nice. Got a big log jam right here, a nice rifle right here, lots of current, lots of slack water. So we'll set up camp, and we'll fish here all night, and we'll see what I can get. So someone's gonna hate me for this, but oh well, they'll get over it. It's legal here. Caught a nice 14-inch crappie back at home base. That's what I'm using for my cut bait for the moment. And then I made this aerator out of a little Walmart cooler. Got a bunch of live bluegill in there. Hopefully that's the ticket. I did bring my ultralight and some red worms in case I run low on bait. That way I catch some more stuff. I might reel one of these in and try to get a variety of bait before it gets dark. Hopefully increase my odds of catching something good. It looks like a really good spot. And this line looks flat. There was a gar that came off right at the bank. This ain't no smallmouth. It's one of the nicer channel cats I've caught here in a while. It's a good start to the evening. I'm not much on weighing fish. Just want to get their picture, a little footage, get them back in the water so they can keep growing. Little number 5 Eagle Claw, 2.5, 3-inch bluegill at best. Jeez. Decent little catfish. Channel cat, a little smaller than the one I caught earlier. Let's get him back in the water. Come on now. Well, he's dirty, but nice little channel cat on a piece of bluegill. Let's get him back. Fish is bigger than this one. Oh. This is what I've been looking for. The bank is steep over there. decent blue. Let's get it back in the water. I think I got a fish on the other one still.